Hi there, this is a review of the camelwill bushpot or kettle. Now this is available off of eBay and it costs at the moment just over £11 sent to the door, and it comes from China. It weighs 355 grams and the height of it's 12 centimetres, 120 millimetres. The diameter's 12.5 centimetres, 125 millimetres. Now the capacity, it says it's 1.2 litres, but it's marked off inside. Show you here, 700. You'd probably get 1.2, but it'd be right to the top. I've never used it that far, just to above 700. Now it's got a spout on it, as you can see there, so it's great for doing potatoes, rice, pasta, anything like that. And I've used it over an open fire, and as you can see there's hardly any wear at all to it. It's got the handles on the side. They're spot welded on. I find them quite firm, and it has a handle on the top for hanging over your fire, and it has a really good lid. Now I like the style of this lid. The top comes up over, and as you can see it holds quite firmly there, so even when hot you can use your spork or a stick or whatever to lift the lid off the top. The lid fits in recessed. It's not a bad fit. It's not brilliant, but it's not bad. It's good enough for the job. And the price, I don't think you can do much better than that. As you can see, I have used it, I've checked it out, I've had it over the open fire, and I'm very happy with it. Thank you for watching.